Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So on 19th of March, it's actually today only. The timing is 10 p.m. in the night. The day is Saturday. I'll be coming up live onto my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So we'll be making up some cool Python project with the help of some libraries of Python, with some respective packages on the libraries in Python that you can actually add them into your resume. Right, so this is what we are gonna do onto that particular live stream. But it's not that only. With that, I'm having a very special gift for you all in this particular live stream. That's today only. That's 19th of March, timing 10 p.m. on my channel Fun with Data Science. So I'll be availing up that gift or that surprise gift for you people in this today's live stream only. That's on 10 p.m. So mark up your calendar, mark up your date for today. Do join me live and let's make some cool Python projects with a surprise gift for you people. So see you there in the live stream.